Well, today I'm going to be doing a repair and startup on this old Briggs engine I've had. It's a cast iron 9-horse. It's a model 23CB. So, the guy I bought it from, it's probably about a year or so ago. He said it ran good and everything when he took it off the tractor. So I'm going to see if I can't get it going today. Gas tank's fairly clean in it and everything. I haven't tried the starter generator out, whether it works or not, I don't know. I'm just going to be pull starting it for today. It's got pretty good compression, and carburetor seems to be in pretty good shape. All the butterflies move for the choke and throttle and everything. And probably have to get a new muffler on it at some point. But I'm not getting any spark from the wire, so I'm going to pull the cowling off, and hopefully I can get some spark out of it. But other than that, hopefully I ought to be getting this running today, and then see how it does. Alright, well, I got the flywheel off and the points cover. Points didn't look too bad. They probably had a little bit of corrosion on them, so they're not getting spark. So I'll clean them up and get the cover back on in the flywheel, and then put the rope start and pulley on and pull it over, and we'll have to see if we can get some spark out of it. Alright, I got the points cleaned and everything, and flywheel's back on with the pulley, so you ought to be able to see the spark. It's got a nice white hot spark. There we go. Alright, here's the first startup of the Briggs Stratton 9-horse. It's all back together, so couldn't get the muffler off. It's just straight pipe for now, but I'll have to see if the fire's over. Cowling is scratching on the flywheel, but probably because I had my foot on it, but I'll have to bend that back out at a later date. But yeah, I guess we at least know it runs. Fired over second pull, it's pretty good. So I'll work on it over time and see if I can't get it running. Alright, actually turns out that the cowling wasn't scraping. What happened is I just twisted this crankshaft, and look at the, you can see the flywheel, nothing spinning, but the end of the crankshaft is. You can see that or not. So I think what happened is the nut came loose that holds the flywheel on, because I really didn't tighten it all that much. So I'll have to pull this stuff off and get the engine down the hill so I can use the impact wrench, because I'm just up here in the shed and I just used a crescent, so it's not on there too tight. So after I get that on, I ought to run fine after that. Alright, I got the Briggs all back together, so this is going to be a cold start.
It's got a knocking noise in it. Probably it's either the valve or the rod, but it runs alright, I guess.